I would like to congratulate my beloved country, Saudi Arabia, on its national Saudi Day, and inshallah, I wish every success for my beloved country. This event from Saudi Embassy, and to celebrate with our brothers Pakistani. Local culture and local musician from some parts in Saudi Arabia. Nice people and nice feedback from our brothers here.